So now we get into Bootstrap. So Bootstrap is a framework that allows that you connect to your website, and it's a series of it's CSS and JavaScript. That is it's a collection of those that are written a specific way, and then you will implement basically these various classes onto your web page, and then it will enforce basically responsive behavior onto your elements. So really what you end up doing is you will connect your web page to their code, and then use their code on your elements to make your elements be responsive. It is possible to write your own CSS to make a web page responsive, and in fact, that's I think the second or third assignment I have you guys do in Web Design 2. I have you make your own responsive framework, which has its own advantages because you can make it whatever you want it to be, and it's a lot more flexible and stuff. However, Bootstrap is already there. It's going to be better than probably what you would make offhand on your own, at least initially. And it has a lot of features. So Bootstrap is probably the most popular responsive framework that you can use. Many sites use it. I definitely use elements of it in my website. I don't know if my WordPress is actually connected to it directly, because I haven't looked at my WordPress theme. I paid for it, so it might be incorporating that as well. But many websites use Bootstrap, and it's just been around for a really long time. What it does is it will use a grid-based layout, which I think they all do. Some elements that it has, it'll have a fluid grid. So basically, it'll allow you to squish your elements. It'll have flexible images, so you can have images. It's img-fluid, and basically allow the image to scale according to the page. The text will be adjustable. It'll be in EMs. It uses media queries. But it's a really nice system. And if you, I thought this was a link. It's not. Okay, I should have made that the link. But if you click here, you can go to the web page. Bootstrap. We're gonna be going to this a little bit anyway. But if you want to look through it, you can see that this is how you get to it. It's just getbootstrap.com. Believe it or not, actually, you know who makes Bootstrap? I don't know if I say it here. I don't think I do. Twitter. Twitter makes Bootstrap, which I thought that was weird because those don't seem connected. I mean, I know they both do kind of online stuff, but I just I guess it's not Twitter anymore. It's X, right? Whatever that is. Anyway, so that's Bootstrap. We're gonna start incorporating. I'll explain how this system works a little